Each year, over 2 billion turkey slices are consumed in the U.S. alone, generating billions in revenue. Let's uncover the complex journey from whole turkey to perfect slices. The production of turkey slices begins when high-quality turkeys arrive at the factory. Once unloaded, the turkeys are placed on inspection conveyors, where each bird is carefully examined to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Only the finest turkeys are selected for processing, guaranteeing consistent flavor and quality in the final slices. After inspection, the turkeys undergo a thorough line washing to maintain hygiene. They then move on to the trimming and deboning phase, where they are carefully prepared for slicing. This attention to detail ensures premium turkey slices for consumers. Following the initial inspection, turkeys are transferred to the trimming and deboning area, where the FM 750 breast cap deboning machine plays a key role by efficiently deboning up to 3,000 turkey breast caps per hour. This machine is highly versatile, producing both single and butterfly filets. It features automatic skinning, a wishbone remover, and a blister removal system, streamlining the process. Operated manually by 1 or 2 people, the machine is easy to handle and requires minimal space, making it adaptable to various production settings. Additionally, it allows for the integration of a transport belt underneath for further efficiency. The FM 750's mobility and compact design ensure that it meets both high volume and space-saving requirements in processing facilities. With the turkey breasts trimmed and deboned, they are prepared for the essential brining process. Brining enhances the flavor and moisture of the turkey, ensuring it remains juicy and tender. In this step, the turkey breasts are submerged in large vats filled with a carefully crafted brine solution made of water, salt, sugar, and sometimes herbs and spices for added flavor. In a factory setting, this process is precisely controlled, with the turkey breasts soaking for several hours. During this time, the meat fully absorbs the brine, locking in moisture and flavor to create delicious, flavorful turkey slices when cooked. Next, the turkey breasts move to the massaging and tumbling stage, an essential step in creating tender and flavorful turkey slices. In this process, large tumblers are used to gently rotate and massage the turkey breasts. This motion helps to evenly distribute the brine throughout the meat, ensuring consistent flavor and seasoning. Additionally, the tumbling action works to break down the muscle fibers, improving the meat's texture and making it more tender and juicy. This crucial step not only enhances the turkey's taste, but also ensures that the final product has the perfect texture consumers expect in high-quality turkey slices. Once the turkey breasts have been brined and massaged, they move to large industrial ovens. This phase is critical to ensuring both food safety and the perfect texture of the meat. Inside the factory, the ovens are closely monitored to achieve the correct internal temperature, ensuring that the turkey cooks evenly and reaches a safe level to kill any bacteria. This method also seals in the flavors absorbed during the brining process, producing tender, flavorful slices. The controlled cooking process guarantees consistent results, making sure each slice maintains a juicy, delicious taste ready for next steps. Once the turkey breasts are fully cooked, they enter the slicing stage. In large factories, high-speed slicing machines take center stage, expertly cutting the turkey into thin, uniform slices. These machines are meticulously calibrated to achieve a specific thickness, ensuring each slice is consistent in size, weight, and appearance. This precision not only enhances the visual appeal of the final product, but also plays a vital role in customer satisfaction. Each slice's uniformity ensures that every sandwich or meal holds the same quality. Any slices that fail to meet strict quality standards are promptly removed and repurposed for other turkey products, such as diced turkey or strips, minimizing waste and maximizing utility. This careful attention to detail in slicing is essential for delivering a premium turkey experience to consumers. In the quality control step, safeguarding the safety and quality of turkey slices is paramount. Factory workers and quality assurance specialists vigilantly monitor every stage of production. X-ray inspections detect foreign objects, while post-chilling checks assess appearance and texture. Each turkey slice is meticulously scrutinized for uniformity, defects, and proper weight. Any deviations from strict quality standards are promptly addressed, ensuring that only the finest turkey slices reach consumers' plates. This rigorous process not only protects consumer health, but also reinforces the brand's commitment to excellence. Through thorough quality control, every slice is a testament to superior craftsmanship, delivering a satisfying and safe experience for all. After the turkey slices are carefully prepared, turkey slices are carefully placed into trays using automated machinery, ensuring they retain their shape and freshness. Vacuum sealing equipment then removes air from the packaging, an essential step to prevent spoilage and extend shelf life. This airtight seal preserves the flavor and texture of the turkey, maintaining its high quality. Once sealed, each package is labeled and prepared for shipping. This ensures that when the turkey slices reach consumers, they are fresh, flavorful, and ready to enjoy. The meticulous process not only preserves the product's quality, but also guarantees that premium turkey slices are readily available in stores and kitchens, ensuring customer satisfaction. After vacuum sealing the turkey slices to preserve freshness and extend shelf life, the next critical step is package labeling. This involves applying labels that display essential information such as the brand name, nutritional content, ingredients, and expiration date. Some labels also include serving ideas or simple recipes to inspire customers. Automated machines handle this process, ensuring that each package is labeled with speed, precision, and consistency, even across large production volumes. The machines adhere to regulatory standards, ensuring that every package meets legal requirements while providing consumers with all necessary information. This step is vital for product identification, safety, and customer convenience, enabling shoppers to make well-informed decisions when purchasing. Clear, comprehensive labeling reflects the factory's commitment to quality and compliance. In the boxing and storage step, turkey slices are carefully packed into crates, utilizing advanced ASRS, automated storage and retrieval systems, and mini-load systems. This technology maximizes storage capacity and efficiently handles both heavy and lightweight loads. The crates are then placed in curtain freezers, maintained at optimal temperatures to ensure product freshness. This streamlined process enhances efficiency and preserves the quality of the turkey slices. In the final step, packaged turkey slices are shipped to retailers and distributors using efficient logistics systems. Refrigerated trucks maintain the proper temperature during transport to ensure freshness. The turkey is then delivered to grocery stores, supermarkets, and food service providers, ready for consumers to enjoy. Each step, from production to delivery, ensures that the turkey slices arrive in perfect condition, meeting high-quality standards for taste and safety. So, there you have it, the fascinating journey from whole turkeys to perfectly sliced turkey breast. Be sure to check out our next video on how smoked salmon slices are made as well.